Alright guys, welcome to another video. It's been a while since I've posted a video, but today I'm going to show you guys how to make an animated gate opening system that includes the gate locking feature for those group IDs, also team only and player only commands. So let's get right into this. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to make your gate. So I'm just going to kind of do this real quick. Then what we want to do, so in this you want to, on this wall thing, you want to add in a proximity prompt and then a script. Okay, that's where we're going to do all of our scripting at. So actually, matter of fact, let's just jump right into the script. So first what we want to do is we want to get all of our parts that we're going to be using. In this case, it would just be that one part named gate. So let me rename this to gate so that we know, and then this will be keypad. So now that we have that, we're going to do local workspace, actually local gate equals game.workspace dot, we're going to do a find first child just to make sure it's there, gate. And then we're going to do our proximity prompt, which should be our prompt is what I'm going to name it. And then we could just do script.parent.proximity prompt for that. Great. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get our tween service. So we're going to do local tween service equals game get service tween service. Awesome. And then what we're going to do is come down here. Actually, we're going to make a status as well. I'll show you guys what we're doing with that later. So you don't have to do this. I am going to though. Is closed. Now what we want to do is get our tween info. So we're going to do local tween info tween I equals, so what we're going to do is we're going to do our tween I, so we're going to do tween info dot new, and then you guys can fill this out. There's the how long it's going to take for it to animate, and then the easing style, you just do enum dot easing style, and then the way it's going to go, blah blah blah. I'm just going to keep it at the 5 because I don't need any of that extra stuff. And then next what we're going to do is we're going to do local closed. Actually, we're going to do local opened equals, and then we're going to do that, and then we're going to type in opened dot position equals cframe dot new. And then what you want to do is you want to put this as if it was opened, so that's what our opened will look like. And then you want to come down here and grab the position of this, and once you have the position of that, you're going to go back to your script and paste that there. Same with local closed, so we're going to do local closed and then closed dot position equals cframe dot new. Same thing here, but you want it to be closed instead, so I already had it there, so I'm going to just undo that, copy that, go back to the script, paste it in. Awesome. So remember, if you ever want to move this gate around or something, you have to edit this or else it'll teleport all the way back to those coordinates, and I don't think you really want that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do local tween 1 equals tween service dot, well, create, what am I talking about? And then this is going to be the gate, so you can just type in gate and then tween info is what you want there. And then for the string, you want to do your opened position, and then you want to come down here and then do it again, type in tween 2 tween service create, not clone, create, then you're gonna do gate, tween info, and then you're going to do the closed position. Now that you have that, we're going to be working with the prompt. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go prompt dot triggered. So this is saying, hey, somebody interacted with me. Make sure you double bracket it. And then, oh, wait. What am I doing? And then connect. Holy crap, I forgot the connect function. What am I talking about? So type in function and then have the double brackets and then you press enter. Awesome. So now that the prompt is triggered, if you are going to be doing a group ID, then what you want to do is you're going to do local group ID equals, go down to your group. I'm going to just use my tech group. You're going to copy that. You're going to come up here, local group ID, put that in there. So then we're going to check if they are in the group. So actually what you want to do is you want to type in player in there. So if PLR is in group, and then you're going to do group ID, then if status equals closed, no, you want it to be, yes, closed, then now we're going to come down here. So this is basically checking if the gate is closed so they can't keep breaking. So basically it doesn't break the gate. There's another way to do this. I just not going to get into that. So if status equals closed, then we are good. We can basically run this. So if you want to be extra and change your interactable prompt to say something like gate is closing or something, then you could do that. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to have gate button. So it's just going to stay at that. But you can keep the status updated if you want. So if status equals closed, then what we're going to do is we are going to run the first tween, correct? Yes, so we want to run tween 1. So we're going to type in tween 1, play. And then obviously you want to make it wait for 7 seconds. The reason why I say 7 is because you want time for the gate to stay open instead of the gate opening and then going right back to being closed. Once that wait is over, you're going to do tween 2, and then you're going to play the tween 2 so the gate closes. And then remember, you want to change, so once the gate is open, you want to change the status to open. So you type in opened, and then you want to change it directly back to closed after the second tween is done. So also make sure you add in a wait 5 seconds for the time to close so you don't break it. And that should do. Let's test it. Make sure you anchor all your parts, by the way, so they don't fall over. Let's go ahead and test it. Play here. Awesome. So then we can press the gate button and see why it didn't run. Oh, okay. I use C-frame. I meant to use vector3. Vector3.new. So change that. Just change the C-frame to say vector3. And that should fix it. And then it opens. As you can see, it slides, and then it's going to wait the 2 seconds and close. There you go. And that's how you make an automatic gate system.